Welcome to our comparison of two high-performance graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value for gamers. The RTX 5070 features NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory and a boost clock of 2600 MHz, while the RX 9070 boasts AMD's RDNA4 architecture with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of up to 2700 MHz. We'll compare these cards in three key areas: architecture, memory, and price, to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 utilizes NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, which is known for its efficiency and support for advanced features like DLSS 4. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 is built on AMD's RDNA4 architecture, offering impressive performance and power efficiency. Both architectures are designed for high-performance gaming, but they cater to different preferences and ecosystems. When it comes to memory, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 features 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is sufficient for most gaming scenarios. However, the XFX RX 9070 takes the lead with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing more headroom for demanding applications and future-proofing for upcoming games. This difference in memory capacity could be a deciding factor for gamers looking for longevity in their hardware. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 is priced at $609.99, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. On the other hand, the XFX RX 9070 comes in at a higher price point of $789.99. While the RX 9070 offers more memory and a higher boost clock, the price difference may sway budget-conscious consumers towards the RTX 5070. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 are excellent graphics cards, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 5070 offers great value with its competitive pricing and solid performance, while the RX 9070 provides more memory and a higher boost clock for those willing to invest more. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.